So we put a poll up yesterday, asking you, our subscribers, what you wanted to see today. And it was either take the Conquest for its first little drive, or turn up the boost on the Supra. And by a landslide, the Conquest won. How do you feel about that? Was it rigged? You think it was rigged?
It's the Russians.
So today we're going to bleed the brakes and do a couple little other things, and then by the time we're done with that, we should be able to open the garage and take it for a little spin, because I got the brakes working for right now. I fixed the leak that I had over where I made my little union. So yeah, bleed the brakes. Once everybody's awake, we can start it up. We can adjust the fuel pressure and do a little burnout or something. I don't know, in my neighborhood.
Maybe a Corvette guy will walk down.
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna get started on that, and hopefully everything will go smooth today, as it always does. Okay. All right. Let's do it. So we are by no means a how-to or informational channel. Just want to clear that up.
Where's the warning?
Yeah, well, I used to put a warning on, but I don't know what happened to it. So to bleed the brakes, you just what do you do? I've never bled. To be honest with you, I've never bled brakes before in my life.
I mean, you can use speed bleeders and stuff like that if you're by yourself, but it's easier with two people. Pump the brake pedal up until it gets as tight as it's going to get. Have someone else go to the bleeder screw on the back of the caliper. Crack the screw. The air will come out. Pedal will go to the floor. Do not let your foot... Don't let the pedal come back up, because it'll draw in air with it. After all the air comes out of the line, tighten it back. Rinse and repeat.
Easy peasy. Let's do it.
I'm sure I left out some steps there, but
I'm sure someone will let us know too.
there's always someone to let us know.
Yeah. All right. Already feels pretty tight. I'm holding it down as far as it'll go.
Okay. All right. To the floor.
That's as hard as I can go. My leg's getting tired. Now it's all the way to the floor.
Well, that's the air. Okay.
What?
Pump it up.
All right.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
To the floor. Should I be pumping it or no?
Nah. Okay. Pump.
Okay.
How's it feel?
Tight.
Is it making any difference?
Yeah.
So still improving, or?
Huh? Is it what?
Is the brake pedal feel any better, or is it about the same now?
I mean, it was pretty tight to begin with. Good?
Yeah. So that.
All right. Man, that was fast. Brakes already bled. Look at that. The power of the YouTubes. Takes us 20-30 minutes. Takes you a couple seconds. Look at that. Anyway, so yeah, the brakes are bled, so now we're just going to move on to some other little stuff. that we got going on. Like I want to attach. Well, I have to. I don't want to. I mean, you know what I mean. Like, yeah.
I have no idea what you're saying.
I don't need.
You're just like rambling.
Yeah. That's what happens when it's early in the morning. We ramble when it's early in the morning because we're tired and we ramble in the garage.
Ramble regardless. It just turned up to 11
Yeah.
in the mornings.
That's what we do. We ramble.
Rambling.
And we don't apologize for rambling because
I ain't apologizing for rambling.
we're ramblers. we're gonna start a gang called the Ramblers. Not really, but yeah. So I'm gonna attach the condenser fan. I want to redo the mass airflow wiring. I gotta extend a wire on the headlight here. Not too much left to do, really. So I need to take the alternator off to see and bring it to have it tested because it doesn't seem to be charging up the battery. So it's either alternator or I missed something. But we know what we should do. We should come up with a list of everything. Oh, we do have a list. Okay, never mind.
We don't follow it.
Yeah, but we don't follow it.
Wait, what's this?
That's gonna stay on there
Forever.
forever. Everything else will be gone, and it's just gonna say finish wire tuck. Break time.
So, this is SNR's first ever official car review.
Oh, yeah? Well, let's see. 2007 Hyundai Santa Fe Limited all-wheel drive 3-point-something V6. Check engine lights on. There's no wiper fluid, and the gas gauge doesn't work. Needs shocks all the way around.
So, how'd it do on the skid pad?
It skid.
How was the 0 to 60, back down to 30, back up to 60 to 0?
It all took 1.3 seconds.
Okay. Take that, Tesla. So on the patented SNR, I guess it really would be patented, but on the SNR road course, the Santa Fe is just scorching it. I mean, this is one of the fastest lap times we've ever recorded.
Won't work. The other side blinks slow. You ready for this?
Oh my gosh. I mean, the line in the middle of the road is just one solid blur. That's how fast we're going.
So we did say we were going to take you for a ride today. What you didn't know, it was in a Hyundai Santa Fe. No, we had to take a little break because I got to go get diapers. Whenever I come here in the Yukon, Christina doesn't listen to this, but there's burnouts on this road. Him Christina, not me. I'm not even. All right, time has come. I'm gonna set fuel pressure. We're taking this for a ride.
Do it.
Don't expect anything crazy, but. Huh. What?
You've got fuel leaking from the vacuum port on your fuel pressure regulator.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, it's fuel. Did you get this new?
No.
Oh, you got it secondhand.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, if you contact AM, maybe you can just buy like a replacement diaphragm. Should
Maybe.
just be a rubber.
Yeah, my alternator's dead. Something's not hooked up right.
first?
Well, I was seeing if my light would turn off. Blinkers don't. None of my lights or anything work. If I start, you can hear it turbo. If I start to give it any fuel, it cuts out. So I gotta figure out. I might just put my old throttle body on there.
It's weird the gauge won't move at all.
Trying to give it a little gas. Yeah, every time it's like flooding out or something. That's not even doing anything. That was working last time.
I wonder if that ground came loose. Because that's the ground for it, right?
Alright. We made it back. In one piece. Got some stuff going on and some gremlins we gotta work out. So we're gonna come up with a list of everything that's wrong. We're gonna follow it, and we're gonna have a sort out a plan and follow the plan. No, we're not.
So thank you for watching.
Yes, thank you.
Podcast. Listen to it. Or watch it. Either or. Patreon. Go check it out. It's pretty cool. Got some cool stuff. Push the car up on the YouTube Facebook page. And let us judge your stuff
What are you even talking about?
for the giveaway.
Oh. Well, for the light giveaway,
Share. Comment.
yeah, you gotta
Say you
like,
shared.
share, and comment on this video.
Or the last one.
Well, not this video that you're watching, the video that's gonna appear up here in this area. It pops up on phones and computers and tablets. Doesn't come on TVs. But yeah, there will be a link for the video if you want to enter in the giveaway for the fog lights.
If you want us to judge your car, go to the Facebook page because we're also having a giveaway there too.
Yeah.
I guess it's really not a giveaway. It's more of like a giveaway.
The exhaust is getting to us.
Yeah. All right. How you feel? Good? You
Yeah,
amped up?
mixed feelings because I am amped up. I want to get it going here. Hearing the turbo spool up a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Your spoolie boy.
But yeah, it's just like now that fuel problem. Yeah, that's kind of weird. I might just hook up my old throttle body injection with the stock regulator on it and see.
Just see if it helps it.
Yeah. Now I gotta figure out the light situation and stuff like that, but we're getting there. We drove it today. First drive, son. That's a big step.
Heck yeah.
Not a lot of people
It lives.
get to this point, I think.
Who are these people?
You know, these people. You don't see the people?
Yeah, they're right beside the button floating above your head.
Anyway.
Thanks for watching.
Yep.
I
See you
think I
next
already
time.
said that.
Yeah, you did.
Okay. I won't say it again. Thanks for watching.
We'll see you next week. Alright, so I went ahead and switched out the top hat on my throttle body real quick and hooked up the stock fuel pressure regulator, and as you can see, it's holding pressure. So I'm guessing this AEM fuel pressure regulator I've had lying around is shot. So start it. Starts up perfect. So I'm gonna take it for a quick spin around the block again. See how she does, or he does. Now that I have the proper fuel pressure. Up, but it still feels a lot better than it did. It just died in front of those people. All right. So obviously still got a few bugs to work out, but like we said earlier, thanks for watching.